Mr. Mush here. So, for our clay project this week, we're going to make a llama. And the reason why we're making a llama is because llamas and vicuñas are very important to Peruvian culture. Okay, there's a vicuña actually on the Peruvian flag. So, we're going to make a llama or a vicuña, whatever. They're very similar, but they are different. So, we're going to make it out of clay today. All right, so the first thing I did was I took some clay. My llama is going to be this light purple. You can make your llama whatever color you want. I just thought it was fun, okay, to have like this light lavender, okay? And I kind of got like a jelly bean shape, all right? This is the main shape for the body. Then what I did was I took some more lavender clay, and llamas and vicuñas, if you look at their legs, they're pretty thin. So I rolled out 4 coils for the legs, and then I'm going to attach it to the body like this, okay? Okay, and then you want to make sure it looks like they're attached, just like this, okay? So I'm going to attach these. I've actually never seen a llama in person before. If you have, let me know. I know sometimes they spit, like camels, and I've heard rumors that they don't smell very good. So if that's true, let me know, okay? I'm attaching the legs, making sure they're roughly the same length so that our llama can stand on its own. And they shouldn't be super thin, because if they're really thin, it'll probably have trouble holding the weight. All right, so I'm doing a stand test. Good. All right, and then I'm going to use these little pink for the bottom of their feet, for their hooves, their toes, etc., etc. All right, so I'm going to just take a little bit of this pink right here, smush it down. Okay, just like that, and put it on their feet. So I'm also going to use this pink color for the llama's face, and like that, okay? So there you go. So that's how our llama's looking right now. I'm gonna take a little bit more purple, give him a little fluffy tail, like this, have it sticking up. And then we're gonna make the neck. So we're gonna have the neck that comes up, it's really long, okay? And this should be thicker than the legs, all right? I think that's a little too long. Okay, so then I'm gonna stick this on. Okay, I'm gonna smooth it out so it looks like one piece. Okay, just like that. Just like this. It's really coming together. Okay. All right, and now my next step is I'm gonna take a little bit more of this for the little ears on top. I'm gonna make them like little triangles. Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit of pink on the inside. I'm gonna smooth it out to make it look like one piece. Okay, and then once I do that, I'm gonna work on the face. Okay, so there's the ears. Smoothing it out. Okay, I'm gonna take some pink. All right, and then I'm gonna smush it down for a pancake to make it for the face like this. Okay, just to like have a bit of a contrast. And then I'm gonna give the nose just like this. I'm gonna have it maybe a little bit more. Just like this. Smooth it out. Okay. And then I'm gonna take some black, just for the little nose holes on the end, like this. And then if you want to go back and add like a little of, like I'm gonna go back and put a little bit of the purple to make it look like furs going over. Okay, and I'm gonna give this llama little closed eyes, so I'm making really tiny coils like this, because this llama is really happy. Okay. Just like this. Okay. And then I'll give my llama a smile. Okay, just like this. Happy llama. Okay. So there's my llama in all its glory. Like I was saying before, I may put take little coils and put it over. I'm gonna do 3 little coils like this to make it look like the hair is coming over like that. And I think I need to add a little more clay to this leg because it's having a hard time standing up. And that's what's nice about clay, is that if it's like not doing what it's supposed to, you can always add more. Okay, there we go. So look, there's my llama. So the last thing I'm gonna do, just to give it a little more pizzazz, I'm gonna drape it with red and white clay, because those are the colors of Peru. Like this. I think I want it to be just a little bit thinner. Like this. I'm gonna have it go to the front and then the back. So the one side's gonna be red, and then one side is gonna be white. Just to add a little bit extra, to make our llama extra special. And if you want to add like bells or anything like that, I just think it looks nice. Okay, so there you go. There's my llama. Okay, and in all their glory. Okay, I'm gonna call him Larry the Llama. Larry the Llama. All right, thanks, Larry. All right, so with that being said, I would love to see your llama. So send us a picture of your llama to the email address below, or tag us on social media, and I would love to take a peek. All right, with that being said, I'll see you at the next project. Peace.